Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hawaiian Roller Coaster Ride on guitar. Let's start by learning the essential open chords you'll need for this song. We'll focus on C major, G major, F major, and a minor. Take your time to form each chord correctly, making sure every string rings out clearly. Practice switching between them slowly to build muscle memory and prepare for the rhythm. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern to give our song its lively feel. We'll use a versatile pattern: down, down, up, down, up. Focus on keeping your strumming hand loose and maintaining a steady rhythm. Try practicing this pattern on just one chord, like C major, until it feels natural. This consistency is key to making the song sound great. Now, let's put the chords and strumming together with the song's progression. For the verse, you'll typically play C, G, F, and then back to C. When you reach the chorus, the progression shifts slightly to F, F, C, and then G before returning to C. Practice these sequences slowly, ensuring your chord changes align with the rhythm. This structure forms the backbone of the entire song. To truly master Hawaiian Roller Coaster Ride, consistent practice is essential. Start by playing the entire song at a very slow tempo, focusing on accuracy over speed. A metronome can be a great tool to help you keep a steady beat. Also, listen closely to the original recording to capture the song's authentic feel and timing. With dedication, you'll be playing this fun tune smoothly in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.